John Ross, fire captain here at the City of Fresno, and I've been here for a little over 24 years. So today I went with ground turkey Mexican pizza. We'll let that get all browned up a little bit more. I love the Taco Bell Mexican pizzas, and I was like, man, if I can make that on a bigger form, yeah, let's do it. All right. I try to heat up the tortillas just to get them a little firmer. First tortilla, then I'm gonna go with a layer of refried beans as the sauce. Then I'm gonna go with the ground turkey on top of that. And then the bottom layer I'm gonna do with nacho cheese. And then I'll build the second layer on top of that one with the refried beans, the ground turkey, and then I'll do shredded cheese on top of that. I don't have a lot of recipes, but that's one of them, and everybody seems to like it, so I'll stick with that. Got it. Now that it's cooked, I'm gonna go ahead, I'm gonna do the green onion, tomato, and each slice gets its own avocado, and we'll do some olives. All right, healthiest meal you're gonna have all week. Jow. Jow is on. It's nice to be able to cook something, spend some time, put some effort into it, so that the people that you work with can enjoy it.
That's amazing.
Well, it turned out all right.
Good job, John.
Thank you.